Hello, I am Richard Tasoff, a partner with Tasoff Tasoff, a law firm with 60 years of experience in immigration law. This is the first part in a two-part video about how to find the right immigration attorney. What is at risk? Moving from one country to another country is a life-changing event. It's full of risk and rewards. Generally, mistakes in the application process have disastrous effects. They can mean a permanent bar to your coming to the United States or separation from family for an indefinite period of time. Thousands of people are denied visas each day, and thousands of people are removed from the United States each day. The implications are very serious. Immigration laws are complex and administered by a number of different organizations. The Department of State, the Department of Labor, the Department of Homeland Security, the Department of Justice, Citizenship and Immigration Services, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, Customs and Border Protection. There's a good chance that you will be dealing with 2 or even 3 of these agencies in your application process. Agencies, especially the Citizenship and Immigration Services, have made some effort to get information on their websites that are helpful to applicants. I recommend that you do check the Citizenship and Immigration Services website. However, lack of experience and knowledge places you at a great disadvantage when seeking an immigration benefit from the government. Consider that the government agencies usually staff their helplines with contract workers that work from a planned script. There are also enforcement agencies. They're looking for reasons to deny your application. The officers may be polite, but you're just another case. There's no quick or direct access to the officer or the agent who is handling your matter. And officers are often not fully trained in the immigration laws and don't go beyond what's in their procedure manual. Mistakes limit your options and may even limit your qualification for the immigration benefit. Do you need an attorney? Many people are successful with their applications without an attorney. Some may have to wait a little bit longer, some may be very anxious, but many get through the process quite easily. However, an attorney is more than just a person who completes your forms. An immigration attorney evaluates and assesses your case. They give you a full explanation of your options. They review your situation to see if there are issues that you might not be aware of but could really affect your case and have serious consequences. They can also move your case along more expeditiously. They can let you know what to expect at every stage of the application process, and they help you prepare for interviews and hearings. Remember, you may be going through this process one time in your life, but the immigration attorney has done this many times and has much more experience and knows what to expect. Always consider hiring an immigration attorney if you have been in removal proceedings, have a criminal conviction, you're in a criminal proceeding and you have to accept a plea bargain, you had problems with prior applications for immigration benefits, you've been removed from the United States and you're back again, or if you have ever claimed to be an American citizen. What about immigration consultants and notarios? Most states do not regulate consultants and notarios. They often say in response that they aren't practicing immigration law, they're just filling out forms. But the Citizenship and Immigration Services itself has said that applying for benefits is more than just filling out the forms. The questions on those forms and and that are asked at the interviews are there to elicit information that relate to a very complex set of rules and regulations. If you put down the wrong information, you may be leading yourself into a denied application. If you had a consultant or a notario do that work for you, there is usually no recourse against them if they made the mistake or if they were outright dishonest. What if you cannot afford a qualified immigration attorney? Now let me tell you, immigration attorneys are usually a very good bargain compared to other fields of law. Unlike other fields, what is presented in your application can irreversibly alter your case. Many other fields of law, there are ways to change the initial information or the type of proceedings that are taking place. If you look at what you can lose and the benefits that you can gain, such as residence, work permits, U.S. citizenship, then the immigration attorney services really do start looking at it like a bargain. If you can't afford an immigration attorney, rather than go to a consultant notario, look for public agencies or private charities such as a church or other religious organization, a lawyer bar association, or other organizations that might offer help and assistance. The immigration law practice of Tasoff and Tasoff has been helping people for over 60 years. If you have questions, please feel free to call 818-788-8900 or reach us through our website www.tasoff.com. T as in Thomas, A, S as in Sam, O, F as in Franco, F as in Franco. Tasoff.com.